artificial intelligence. Just saying those words might make you think of futuristic robots or sci-fi movies. But AI isn't just the stuff of science fiction. It's happening right now. It's changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. Today, let's explore two big questions. What is artificial intelligence innovation, and how does AI actually work? AI innovation is all about pushing boundaries, developing new tools and solutions that solve problems in ways we never thought possible. Think about the tools we use every day: virtual assistants, self-driving cars, and even systems that predict natural disasters. That's AI innovation in action. For example, AI can analyze medical scans faster and sometimes more accurately than human doctors, helping to detect diseases early. It powers recommendation engines, like the ones that help you find your next favorite movie or book. And in transportation, autonomous vehicles are navigating streets using AI's ability to process real-time data. Now, how does all this actually work? Let me break it down. AI follows four main steps. First, data collection. AI systems learn by analyzing massive amounts of data: images, videos, text, you name it. For instance, to teach AI to recognize cats, it studies thousands, maybe even millions of cat photos. Second, learning. This is where machine learning comes in. AI uses algorithms, sets of rules, to identify patterns in the data. And there's an even more advanced form of learning called deep learning, which uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks process enormous amounts of information to understand complex concepts. Third, decision-making. Once an AI system has learned enough, it can make decisions or predictions. For example, when you ask a virtual assistant about the weather, it processes your voice, searches its database, and gives you an answer in seconds. Finally, interaction. AI systems don't just work behind the scenes. They engage with us through voice, text, or even facial recognition. This makes them feel more intuitive and user-friendly. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world, from revolutionizing industries to enhancing everyday life. And while there's still a long way to go, one thing is clear: AI isn't just the future, it's the present, and it's here to stay.